we're going to start with number 42, and we have to merge 1 with this fraction, and it's the same thing over here. And so we turn this into 2bc over 2bc, and minus b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2bc. And you also turn this 1 into 2ab over 2ab, and the same goes around here. And now you merge these two fractions together, and now it becomes 2bc minus b squared minus c squared plus a squared over 2bc, divided by 2ab minus a squared minus b squared plus c squared over 2ab. And now you see that these three terms are a perfect trinomial. So you put them like this in the parentheses and take the negative sign out. And when you divide a fraction with another, you turn the second one like upside down, like the denominator goes up. They switch positions. And you also take the negative sign out over here. And now it becomes this, because you put a square in front of here, and minus b minus c square. And same thing goes over here. So you can cancel out 2 and b, so it becomes a and c. And now it becomes a minus b plus c and a plus b minus c. Also over here is c minus a plus b and c plus a minus b. And now you get to cancel these two out, so it becomes this. The second question we're going to do is number 44, and we're supposed to find the values of a and b. So keep in mind that the value of x doesn't really matter, and this is the question. And we discovered that these two fractions, their LCD, least common denominator, is this. So basically, you cross multiply, and it turns into ax minus 2a plus bx plus 2b equals to 4. The reason I omitted the denominator is because, like I said, x doesn't really matter. And now you group them like this. The underlined one group, and now that, just pretend that there is a 0x behind it, and so now it turns into ax plus bx equals to 0x. And you omit the x, so it turns into a plus b equals to 0. You carry b over to the other side, now it's a equals to negative b. And now you use this equation, you compare this equation. Negative 2a plus 2b equals to 4. And keeping in mind that a equals to negative b, a can become negative b over here. So that's negative 2 times negative b plus b, 2b plus equals to 4. And you cancel all the negative signs, so it becomes 2b plus 2b equals to 4. Now it's 4b equals to 4, b equals to 1, and because a equals to negative b, a equals to negative 1. And that is the answer. Now we have the last question of all, question number 45. Its structure is pretty much the same as the last question, and we're supposed to find the values of c and d. And remember, x doesn't matter. And now we see that these two fractions, their LCD is x squared minus x minus 2. So we can merge these two fractions by cross multiplying. So that's cx plus c plus dx minus 2d equals to 6x. And you omit these denominators. So now we group them like this. And pretend there's a 0 over there. So now it becomes cx plus dx equals to 6x. You omit the x, and it becomes c plus d equals to 6. As for this one over here, it's c minus 2d equals to 0. You carry the negative 2d over to the other side, so it becomes c equals to 2d. And now you merge these two equations together. So now it's 2d plus d equals to 6, 3d equals to 6, and now here's the answer, d equals to 2, and c equals to 4. Yep.